have the problem. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, then sigma cos of b plus c by cos b cos c is equal to, yet trigonometry compound angles MZ level 2 problems. So here we have given sigma cos of b plus c by cos b cos c is equal to, cos of b plus c is equal to what? Cos b cos c minus sin b sin c. So we have sigma cos b cos c cos by cos b cos c cancel, 1 minus we have tan b tan c. So this can be written as sigma 1 minus sigma of tan b tan c. This value sigma 1 plus sigma 1 plus sigma 1, 3 minus sigma of, this is tan b tan c. But we have given a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, implies a plus b is equal to pi by 2 minus c. Then tan of a plus b is equal to cot c is equal to tan of tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to, cot c can be written as 1 by tan c. By cross multiplication and simplify, this is tan a plus tan b, tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan c tan a is equal to 1, implies sigma of tan a tan b is equal to 1. This value will be 1. Therefore, we can written as 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Therefore, sigma cos of b plus c by cos of b plus c by cos b cos c is equal to what? 2. So, option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, and tan alpha is equal to xy by zr, tan beta is equal to yz by xr, tan gamma is equal to zx by yr. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, here you take x is equal to y is equal to z. Then we have, this is 3x square is equal to r square. Then x square by r square is equal to 1 by 3. X by r is equal to 1 by root 3. X by r is equal to 1 by root 3. Then what is tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to x by r. Tan alpha is equal to x by r. This is equal to 1 by root 3. And tan beta is equal to tan gamma is equal to 1 by root 3. So, we know the formula tan of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta plus tan gamma minus tan alpha into tan beta into tan gamma by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta minus tan beta tan gamma minus tan gamma tan alpha is equal to what? Here this is 3 into 1 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 whole cube by denominator 1 minus 3 into, this is 1 by root 3 whole square. So what we will have? Numerator by denominator 1 minus 1 is equal to infinity. So this tan of alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? Tan pi by 2. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what? Pi by 2. So we have the option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem in triangle ABC. If cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to root 3, then triangle ABC is. So here you see in triangle ABC means A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Then A plus B is equal to what? Pi minus C. So cot of A plus B is equal to minus cot C. Minus cot C. So what can be written as cot A into cot B minus 1 by this is cot A plus cot B is equal to minus cot C. Then we have to write by cross multiplication, that is cot A into cot B minus 1 is equal to minus cot A cot C in minus cot B cot C. So you take into this side, that is cot A cot B plus cot B cot C plus cot C cot A is equal to 1 sigma cot A cot B is equal to 1. This one, and you take this one, that is cot A plus cot A plus cot B plus cot C is equal to root 3. Then cot A plus cot B plus cot C whole square is equal to what? 3. Then what we can written as cot square A plus cot square B plus cot square C is plus 2 into sigma cot A cot B minus is equal to 3 into 1. 3 into 1 means 1 is equal to what? Sigma cot A cot B is equal to 1. So you can write sigma cot A cot B. Okay, all of you. You take this into this side. 2 into sigma cot A cot B minus 3 into sigma cot A cot B. Then what we can written as cot square A plus cot square B plus cot square C minus sigma cot A cot B is equal to 0. You have to multiply with 2 and divide with 2. What we will get? 1 by 2 of. So this multiplication and divide with 2 we will get, and simplification, cot A minus cot B whole square plus this is cot B minus cot C whole square plus this is cot C minus cot A whole square equal to 0. You observe here, this is in the form of A minus B whole square plus B minus C whole square plus C minus A whole square equal to 0. That implies A is equal to B is equal to C. So we have used this formula. Then what is cot A minus cot B is equal to 0. Then A is equal to B. Similarly, cot B minus cot C is equal to 0. B is equal to C. Similarly, C is equal to A implies A is equal to B is equal to C. In a triangle ABC, A is equal to B is equal to C means all angles are equal. Then we say that equilateral triangle. That triangle is equilateral triangle. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal minus sin of A plus B plus C by cos A cos B cos C is equal to. So here you see, all of you, what is sin of A plus B plus C is equal to sin A cos B cos C plus cos A sin B cos C plus this is cos A cos B sin C minus sin A sin B sin C. This is the formula of sin of A plus B plus C. By applying this one, what we will have? This is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus of numerator will be sin A cos B cos C plus cos A sin B cos C plus cos A cos B sin C minus sin A sin B sin C. Denominator, that is cos A cos B cos C. Here you observe here sin A cos B cos C, here cos B cos C cos B. Sin A by cos A is tan A. So we have this is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus of this is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus this is tan A tan B tan C. So what we will have, this is tan A plus tan B plus tan C minus tan A minus tan B minus tan C, minus into minus plus tan A tan B tan C. So this one cancel, this one cancel, this one cancel. What we will have, tan A tan B tan C. So we have the answer. This option 1 is the answer, tan A tan B tan C. Okay, all of you. Dear viewers, we have the problem in a triangle ABC. If cos A cos B cos C is equal to 1 by 3, then the value of tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A is. So here you observe here tan A tan B plus tan B tan C plus tan C tan A. Then this can be written as sin A sin B by cos A cos B plus this is cos B cos C sin C sin B sin C by cos B cos C plus this is sin C sin A by this is cos C cos C. Then we can written as, here LCM is cos A cos B cos C. Then what we will have, this is sin A sin B cos C plus sin B sin C cos A plus here cos sin C sin A into cos B. So last you observe here, in this case here sin C is the common, then you take sin C as common and cos A cos B cos C is equal to what, 1 by 3. So here this is sin A sin B cos C plus here sin C of this is sin B cos A plus cos B sin A. So here 3 of this is 1 by 3 becomes numerator, 3 of sin A sin B cos C plus this is sin C, this can be written as sin of A plus B. So here 3 of sin A sin B cos C plus this is sin C sin of pi minus C. What is sin of pi minus C? A plus B plus C is equal to pi. So A plus B is equal to sin of pi minus C. Then what we can written as 3 of sin A sin B cos C plus this is sin square C. So sin square C can be written as, this is implies 3 of this is sin A sin B cos C plus this is plus 1 minus cos square C. So what we can written as 3 of 1 minus 1 plus in this case cos C as common, that is sin A sin B minus cos c. We know that a plus b plus c is equal to 5. So a plus b is equal to what? 5 minus c. Cos of a plus b is equal to minus cos c. Cos of a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b is equal to minus cos c. So cos a cos b is equal to what? Sin a sin b minus cos c. Then we have 3 of 1 plus, here you observe here sin a sin b minus cos c. Value already cos c is there, cos c is there. This is cos a cos b. So this is equal to 3 of 1 plus cos a cos b cos c is equal to what? 1 by 3 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So what is the option? Option 3 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem cos x by cos of x minus 2y is equal to lambda, tan of x minus y into tan y is equal to. So here by using componendo and dividendo, then what is the cos of x minus 2y plus cos x, by denominator cos of x minus 2y minus cos x is equal to 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda. So we have cos of x minus cos x cos 2y minus plus sin x sin 2y plus cos x, by denominator cos x cos 2y plus sin x sin 2y minus cos x is equal to 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda. Here you take cos x on numerator common, and what is cos 2y? This is plus 1 plus sin x by cos x tan x into sin 2y, by denominator here cos x common, cos 2y minus 1 plus this as tan x into sin 2y. Here denominator cos x common, cos x cancel, then cos 2y plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square y plus this is tan x into 2 sin x into sin y into cos y. Denominator here this one minus 2 sin square y plus this is tan x into this is 2 sin y cos y. You observe here 2 cos y as common, denominator 2 sin y as common. So 2 cos y as common, that is this is cos y plus this is 2 cos y, this is what? Tan x into sin y, by denominator here 2 sin y common, what is the tan x into cos y minus this is sin y. So common is 2 sin y, 2 cancel, it can be written as 1 by tan y of this value is equal to 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda, equal to 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda. So this value you have to take common cos y on numerator, then 1 plus tan x into tan y, by denominator cos y as common, then what is tan x minus tan y. This one cancel, therefore 1 by tan y of this is 1 by tan of x minus y equal to what? 1 plus lambda by 1 minus lambda. So this can be written as tan of x minus y into tan y is equal to what? 1 minus lambda by 1 plus lambda. Therefore, what is the option here? Option 2 is the answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Dear viewers, we have the problem. If tan A is equal to x sin by 1 minus x cos b and tan b is equal to y sin A by 1 minus y, cos A is equal to sin A by sin b is equal to. So, here we have given first one, this one, that is sin A, this tan A is sin A by cos A is equal to what? X sin b by 1 minus x cos b by cross multiplication, that is sin A minus x into sin A cos b is equal to x into cos A sin b. Okay, all of you. So here sin A is equal to, you take into this side and x common, this is sin A cos b plus cos A sin b. Then sin A is equal to x into sin of A plus b. Equation 1. And you take this one. You take this one, tan b by, this tan b can be written as sin b by cos b is equal to y sin A by 1 minus y cos A. Then by cross multiplication, sin b minus y into cos A sin b is equal to y into sin A cos b. You take into this side, sin b is equal to what? Y common, then sin A cos b plus cos A sin b. Then what we will have? Sin b is equal to y into sin of A plus b. Equation 2. We want sin A by cos b. So from 1 and 2, 1 by 2, that is sin A by cos b is equal to x by y. So what is the answer? Here option 1 is the answer, x by y.